How to join Telegram private channel without invite link. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to join Telegram private channel without any invite link. First things first, open your Telegram app and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you've done that, let's move on to the next process. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, simply type the following, that is https://t.me. Now we're going to be simply doing a slash again and entering the group name of where you want to simply join. Let's say Apple is the group that we want to join to. Simply tap on it and search for it. Now simply go to view in Telegram. Click on allow. Tap on up one. Now as you can see, we have our group over here without an invite link. You can simply tap on join at the bottom to join the Telegram private channel without invite link. And that's it. That's how you can simply join Telegram private channel without invite link.